so excited.
Hi, I'm Christine. I'm a professional hairstylist and I'm here to talk to you all things strengthening and restoring your hair. Protein is important as it's going to strengthen your hair, and especially on hair that's been damaged either from bleaching, chemical services, any hot tools, any blow drying. If you want to continue doing these things, you need to make sure your hair is strong enough to do so, or else it's going to break. When clients come to me and their hair is feeling a bit brittle, it's been dull, I always recommend both protein and hydrating factors for their hair regime. And with TRESemmé's new Strengthen and Restore range, these 3 easy steps, it has both protein in it, so from pea protein and vegetable protein, as well as argan oil. So you've got your strengthen and then you've got your moisture. So both of them together will help a client continue to blow dry their hair, curl their hair, as well as making sure that it's staying strong to do so. With all these hair types that we see here, they've all been styled. And if you're the type of person that likes to style their hair, it's important to look after your hair with both protein and nourishing factors so you can continue to wear your hair the way you want it to be. My hot tip to keep your hair strong is actually how you look after it at home, especially after the shower. Make sure you either get like a microfiber towel, or you can even use like a cotton t-shirt to dry your hair. Otherwise, just make sure you just squeeze your hair dry instead of twisting it. You want to put in all your leave-in treatments after you towel dry your hair. Just put it in your palm, work it in, and then just run it through and get a wide tooth comb and just distribute the product evenly. It's best to then air dry as much as you can, but if you don't have time, then blow dry after. So I hope these tips and tricks will help you understand the importance of both protein and nourishing factors for your hair, and to include it into your hair regime at home.